Quarter.
Yeah, third quarter tayo.
Sac City.
Para kay Zach Sia.
Okay, forward go. Forward go. Left.
Holding foul number 77, Ethan C. His first team foul for Ottawa. Two free throws for Howard Cole.
Ethan, jump shot, no. Rebound by Tyler. Good. Here comes Zach. Pass to Ethan. And that's a jump ball.
Number 6, Sac City. His first personal, second team foul for Ottawa. 40 seconds on the shot clock.
Pre. There's a foul.
Foul number 15, Anthony Davao, his third personal. 13 foul for Ottawa. Two free throws for Howard Cole.
Howard Cole on the free throw area. Basket. Zone warning or zone plus defense. Oh, steal. There comes Sista. Running shot, no. Ayun na, nagagawa eh. That's a jump ball. Number 15, what a nice layup.
Anthony Davao.
Navarro. Getting a shot.
Howard Cole.
By Howard Cole. Zach for 3, no good. Uy, what a nice behind the back. Take a shot, bang! What a nice pass. May Howard ko. Patrick. Here comes Zach. Zach setting on the screen. Take a shot. No. Last 44 seconds. Spin move. Oy! No! Rebound. Here comes Zach. Si nagmamadali. Si crossover. Si reverse layup. No! Wala pa rin. Uy, steal! Ayun na. Out of bounds. Last 10 seconds. Howard! Uy, that's a problem. Last 4 seconds.
Anthony, get open, get open.
4, 3, 2, Zach all the way and score! What a buzzer beater by Zach.
Anthony, stay. Anthony, stay. Anthony, stay. Anthony.
Okay, mandatory substitution, second 5 from both team. Nahabol pa yan ni Zach. Official score 37-30. Let's go back to the ball game. Here it comes. Oy, Clark, no good. Rebound by number 11. Pass to Aaron. Here comes Aaron. C will reverse layup. Ayan na, humahabol ang auto guard. Number 7. Uy. Then he gets a foul.
Foul number 9. One header, and that's his second personal. 14 foul for Autograph.
Basket. Second shot, no good. Rebound, no good pa rin. Rebound ng auto guard. Pass number 49 and 1. Basket count and 1 by number 49, Aaron Sia. Holding up si Clark too. Basket para kay Aaron Sia.
Wyatt, get number 6. Get number 6, Wyatt. Go, get the big man.
Number 38, Clark. Crossover. Clark. Hand off to Alvarez. Take a shot. Bang!
Joaquin Alvarez.
Basket para kay Joaquin Alvarez. Aaron with the Hesse setting on the screen. Aaron. No. Rebound again. Block from behind. Number 15. Makuha ng sista. Here comes Clark. Shoot. Pass to Alvarez. Alvarez. Take a shot. No. Dito na auto guard. Aaron C. nagmamadali.
Dribbling violation.
Dribbling violation. Aaron. Pass to Clark. Here comes Chu. Chu and basket count. And one. By Clark Chu.
Basket is good. Good Clark Chu. Foul number 15.
For a 3-point play.
His third personal. Bonus free throw for Clark Chu.
Clark, wala. Rebound rito ng mga laki team. Here comes Aaron. Aaron na bitawan. Clark Chu may tanga ng bola. Clark at nabitawan outside. Bola rito ng assist ng auto guard. There's the foul.
Foul number 15. Anthony Navarro. His fifth foul.
Foul by Navarro. That's a 5 foul. Number 15. Five na daw po.
Na-remind ba ako na fourth foul siya? Oh, Josh, rebound ka! Ito yung picture natin eh!
Chu on the free throw area. No! Rebound by Aaron. Aaron pass number 11. Basket is good. By jersey number 11. Kick out, fake. That's a 3 seconds violation. Aaron C. attacking the basket. Oy, wala. Rebound by Aaron. That's that. Oh, basket count and one. Para kay Zach
Foul
C.
number 0. His first.
Last 55 seconds.
Bonus free throw by Zach C.
Basket.
Who's gonna get lucky? Who's gonna get lucky? Who's gonna get lucky? Oh, switch, switch!
Take a shot, short. Here comes Zach. Oy, that's travel. Traveling violation. Last 27 seconds. Ball, bad pass. Steal by number 9. Zach C for 3. By Zaxi. Ayan na, change favor. Oy! Almost! Munti ka na makabawi doon. Si Joaquin Alvarez. Change favor tayo. Lamang na ang auto guard ng isa. 43-42. In favor of the auto guard. Okay, tayo dadako na sa ating fourth and important game para sa Sista. Ang fourth quarter. Tignan natin kung sino, kung makukuha kaya ng sistang panalo at mamamantsahan ng pagkatalo ang AutoGuard this season. Malalaman natin yan maya-maya lamang. Ayan importante sa sista ang labang ito para tuluyan na silang makapasok sa finals. Let's go, fourth and a final quarter.
Quarter.
Aaron, 4-3, no. Rebound ng sista. Rebound.
Josh, speed!
Zach with a cross. Pinagay sa corner. Aaron, 4-3. No.
Go, go, go!
Rebound by Tyler. Pass to Chua. Number 25 up and under. No good. Rebound by Ethan. Pass to Aaron. Pass to number 11. No. Rebound still by Aaron. Aaron short. Rebound by Chua. And there's the foul.
Foul number 6, Zach C. That's his second personal.
Second personal foul by Zach C.
First team foul from AutoGuard.
Howard. Oy, too strong. Rebound number 11. And gets the foul. Chua
Foul
on the
number
free
6,
throw
Zach
area.
C. His third personal.
Ulit dito si Zach. That is third
Second team
personal
foul from
foul.
AutoGuard.
Second team
Shooting at the
foul.
line, Alex Chua.
Alex Chua on the free throw area for 2 points. No good. Second shot, no good. Rebound ng AutoGuard. Here comes Aaron. Uy!
Bring down the ball muna. Bring down the ball muna. Josh, dun ka na. Masyado kayo mas-speed dito. Dun ka na. Speed. Rodney, speed. Wait lang. Wala pa yung bola. Go.
Ayun na, Zach. Uy!
Zach C.
Nakalusot si Zach.
Kaya. Down muna tayo.
Number 4.
Howard.
That's Howard go. Aaron sidestep using the guard. And basket para kay Aaron. Ayan na. Time out. Sista. Time remaining 7 minutes and 27 seconds. Yan natin ang huddle ni Coach Nika for Sista. 46-23. Ayan, shout out kay Erwin, Sir Erwin Christopher. And syempre nandyan si Titus Tang. Shout out sa'yo, idol. Titus Tang is watching. And also, shout out din po sa pamilya Tang. Ayan, kala Coach T.Y, Ma'am Gisa, and Tyrese Tang. Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat na nanonood ng ating live. Let's back to the ball game. Zaxi nagpapakitang kilas dito sa laban ng Sista. Let's go. 42. Nakalusot si number 42. Tabla tayo sa 46. Zach fake. Zach with the cross. Bibigay kay Aaron. Aaron with the cross. Aaron. Pass to Zach. Fake. Low pickup. Hey, no good. Rebound by Aaron. Aaron using the board. Basket para kay Aaron. 48-46. Balik sa kalabangan sa auto guard. Here comes Alvarez. Oh, sorry, that's Chua. First foul, number 8.
Line foul number 8. Roddy D is first. 13 foul for Ottawa.
Basket. 49-47 and 48. 1-point lead para sa Auto Guard. Aaron C. Matangan ng bola. Aaron. Oh, nakalusot si Aaron. 51-48. Tatlo lamang ng Auto Guard. Here comes Howard. Howard, go! What a game si do by Howard, go! At may sagot ang sista para dito. Zach naman ang gustong makabawi. Ayan na si Zach. Ayan na. Pinasa sa corner. Fake. Minahesi. Tumatake. No good. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Zach. Here comes Zach. Zach, pass to steal. Ayan na. Chua. Pinasa kay Jared. Jao. Pinagay. C. Jump shot and score.
Matthew, go!
Oh no, sorry, that's Matthew Go. Change play off. 53-52. 1-point lead na lamang. Number 11. Crossover. No. Rebound. Makukuha rito. Nico. But there is a foul.
Holding ball number 77.
Number 77. That's Ethan Sia.
His second personal. 14 foul for Ottawa. Subdivision.
53-52. 1-point lead para sa Auto Guard. Time remaining 5 minutes and 8
Providing all
seconds.
parents to observe public decorum, please be mindful and respectful. Thank you.
Kick out. Ayan na, number 11. What a move para kay Alex Chua. Zach for 3. No. Rebound. Aaron gustong makabawi sa 3. Wala. Rebound dito ng sista. Ayan na, nagmamadali. Howard. Oy! No good. Rebound by Aaron. Aaron nagmamadali. Aaron with a reverse layup and that's a dribbling violation.
One, follow your man. One, follow your man. Three,
Ayun na. Uy, legal screen. Offensive foul by Clark Chu.
Offensive foul number 20, Clark Chu, his third personal. Personal foul for Sisters Subdivision.
Time remaining 3 minutes and 55 seconds.
Hey, what up?
Here comes Zach. See. Oh, steal. by Alvarez. Here comes Alvarez. Alvarez, floater, basket para kay Alvarez. 56-53, change favor tayo. Lamang dito ang Sista, pass to Zach. Zach with a pump fake. Zach atake, using the glass, and one. Basket count and one para kay Zach C. Ayan na. Si Zach C nagbabalik.
Foul number 12, Howard Cole.
Oh, may gustong patunayan dito, si Zach C.
His first personal.
55-56. Saksi for 3-point play. Tabla tayo sa 56. Ayan na. Howard ko. Didiskarte. Howard, crossover. Howard, atake. Side step. Uy! Walang tawag. Good defense para kay Zach. Here comes Zach. C. Oh, steal by Alvarez. Out of bounds. Same ball. Remaining time. Last 3 minutes.
For all parents that serve proper decorum, please be mindful and respectful. Thank you. Substitution.
Block, diba? Block. Ano ba? Oy! Black ball ba?
Shot clock at 17 seconds.
Time out.
Substitution. Timeout. Autoguard.
Hey guys, come on.
Time out. Auto guard. Time remaining 2 minutes and 52 seconds. Tingnan natin, nakadal dito ni Coach Cian Fernandez.
Josh, Josh, sa ilalim ka, Josh! Pwesto ka na! Pwesto ka na!
Okay, back to ball. 16-second shot clock to shoot. Here we go. Sino tatanggap? Oy! Wow! Still. Here comes Alvarez. Alvarez! No! Rebound by Alvarez. Pinasa. Tumira. Wala. Rebound by Zach. Zach C. Setting on the play. Here comes Zach. Spin. Floater. No. Rebound. Uy, walang tawag. Ay na nagagawan.
Josh, relax, Josh. You don't need to do that. Okay, guys,
Blue ball.
get your man yan, get your man. Josh, tama.
Okay, bola rito ng Sista.
Follow lang. Uy.
Here comes Alvarez. Alvarez, kick out. Chua with a Hesi. Ayan na si Howard. Wow!
Last 2.
Last 2 minutes. Aaron C. Gustong makabawi. Binigay. Pass to Zach. Zach attacking the basket. Up another. Boy! Tabla tayo sa 58. Ayan na. Nagmamadali ang Sista. Tumira. No. Rebound. Oy, wala pa rin. Rebound by Aaron. Outlet pass to Zach. Zach, ooh!
Quiet! Bigay ka ng screen at saka lumibot ka.
Out of bounds. Last touch. Bola ng Sista.
Substitution.
Why are you not giving a screen? You're just staying up there. Hindi ka makakuha ng bola. Bigay ka ng screen.
1 minute and 26 seconds. Here comes Howard. Howard atake. Uy, no good. Rebound by Clark. Out of bounds. Last touch. Bola rito ng Autoguard. Ayun na. Malapit na tayo sa dulo. 1 minute and 12 seconds. Stop na tayo sa 58. Here comes Aaron. Aaron, crossover. Aaron, pass to Chua. Binigay sa corner. Here comes steal by Chua. Binasa. Here comes Howard. Howard! Let's go! Ayan na. Dalawa lamang ng Sista. Here comes Aaron. Aaron binangga. And there's a foul. There's a blocking foul para sa Sista. That's Clark Chu. May third team foul pa ang Sista. Last 42 seconds. Shooting chance. Aaron C. A crucial free throw. Time remaining. Last 42 seconds. Uy!
Hey, one stop tayo.
Wala. Ayun na, si Aaron C. Crucial free throw.
Miss. Box out.
Aaron, no! Rebound! Oy, bola rito ng Autoguard. Last 40.9 seconds. 60-58. Dalawa lamang. Bola ng Autoguard. Bibigay kay Zach. Here comes Zach. Oy, Zach, no! Here comes number 9, no! Ayun na! Out of bounds. Last. Time out daw. Time out. Sista.
Timeout, Sista.
Time remaining. Last 32 seconds. Dalawa lamang ng Sista.
Howard go, Alex Chihuahua, Howard go guys, again, there's a screen,
May pagkakataon. Makabawi ang Autoguard. Pero tingnan natin kung makatadagdagan pa ng puntos ng Sista. Meron pa tayong natitirang 32 seconds.
May timeout po sila, wala.
Okay, back to the ball game. Tingnan natin kung anong huddle ni Coach Nika doon. Kung masusunod ang kanyang puro doon. Let's go.
14 seconds.
Sino tatanggap? Binigay kay Howard. Howard setting on the play. Howard. Ayun na. Umatake, tumira, wala! May magkakataon pa ang Autoguard. Aaron! Oy, nagagawan. Here comes Zach. Walang tawag.
Timeout, Autoguard.
Sayang. Time out dito. Ang Autoguard. Time remaining, last 10 seconds. Grabe, sobrang intense ng ating last game ng elimination. Sino kaya Makakabawi kaya dito ang Sista. This is the last time out of both team. May pagkakataon makabawi ang auto guard. 10 seconds remaining. Bola ng auto guard. Ayan na. Sino tatanggap? Rep. Ayan na. Last 10 seconds. Binigay kay Zach. Zach tumira. Wala. Rebound. Makukuha number 11. Number 11 reverse layup. Wala. Nasa block. What a block by Chua.
Foul number 6, Zach T.
Oh my! Nice try, Zach. Nice try.
His fourth personal.
There is a 1.7 seconds. 2 shots para kay Chua. Wow! Basket para kay Chua. Mukhang mamamarkahan na ng pagtatalo ang auto guard. Ay na! 62-658. At dito na po, nagtatapos. At tawargahan na nga. At panalo ang Sista. Our final score, 58-62. Wow! Grabe! Ang laban na yun. Congratulations! A nice game para sa auto guard and congratulations sa Sista. Tingnan natin ang magiging standing. Mukhang pangalawa ngayon sila sa standing as of now. Magbabalik tayo para sa ating third game. Okay, our third game, Jersey Haven versus the Acro City. Balik tayo sa 900 Division. Congratulations!